What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I have a new real estate investment trust that I'm buying for my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. This is too attractive to say no to, and I plan on being long in these guys. Of course, this is not financial advice, for entertainment purposes only. Disclaimer in the description, but the revenue is solid, dividend growth is solid. I'll do a review on these guys. And, you know, this is like the perfect dividend stock to buy for Dividend Warrior Wednesday, because, you know, you look at companies that have a reputation of hiking dividends. You look at tradition, you look at, you know, effort, hard work. You know, that's what Dividend Warrior Wednesday is about. You know, overcoming barriers. Just, this is why, you know, I created Dividend Warrior Wednesday, and we have that on Twitter now. So, you know, this is a big thing, and, you know, everybody that subscribes to this channel is a dividend warrior. So make sure after you subscribe to this channel, you hit the notification bell, because I'm going to be pumping out videos for you guys. So let's check this REIT out right now. And that REIT is way down, and I'm definitely capitalizing on it. National Storage Affiliates Trust, NSA is the symbol. It's sitting at 40.45, average volume 821.11K, market cap is 3.64 billion US dollars. Its year range is 34.90 to 67.44. Major dip. Day range 39.73 to 40.45, and its previous close was 39.47. So why am I buying these guys? Let's check them out as a company. Oh, here we go again. Somebody similar to Cube. National Storage Affiliates is a self-administered, self-managed real estate investment trust dedicated to the ownership, operation, and acquisition of high-quality self-storage facilities located within growth markets. Now let's check these guys out a little bit more and how big they are. So one thing that they have, and this is on their website, self-storage has outperformed all other REIT property types over long term. And that's based on the FTSE NRZ U.S. real estate information from 1994 to 2020. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Of course, recession resilience. Given that the varied need-based demand drivers, low monthly cost of self-storage relative to median household incomes, and flexibility in pricing and market strategies, self-storage has proven to be a recession-resilient asset class. This is what I like about these guys. This is one thing that really sold me on them. But I have more information as to why I bought these guys, because they were just too attractive to say no to. It's one of those things that you got to capitalize on opportunities, and I'm going in. I mean, I definitely capitalize on travel nursing, and I'm using that resources to load up my M1 Finance dividend portfolio and my E-Trade dividend portfolio, because it's time to turbocharge my dividend portfolio with my income. So another thing is diversity, granular assets, and tenant base. So let's go over these guys as a company. So National Storage Affiliates is a self-administered, self-managed real estate investment trust dedicated to the ownership, operation, and acquisition of self-storage facilities. Through ongoing contributions from its participating regional operators, they call it PROs, third-party acquisitions, and joint venture partnerships, as of December 31st, 2022, NSA currently holds ownership interests in and operates 1,101 storage properties located in 42 plus states and Puerto Rico, with approximately 71.8 million rentable square feet. NSA is one of the largest owners and operators of self-storage facilities among private and public companies in the U.S. So that's one thing that's very attractive. So right here, I'm just like on their map. Here's the properties. Pretty heavy in California. Texas is pretty heavy. Looks like a little heavy in Florida. Ohio, it's not too bad. My state, I wouldn't be surprised if they get in these states right here, West Virginia, Maine, and all of them. They're about to suck up everything. And look at this. I mean, they're only a few states from being completely, consuming the United States. And I think that's a strong possibility. Of course, I'm not giving financial advice for entertainment purposes, only disclaimer in the description. They're kind of like CubeSmart. So here's just some information, their company history. That's great. But what we really want to know, of course, is their revenue and dividend history. But let me show you their growth strategy. It's really interesting before I jump to their revenue and FFO and dividend history. So I just want to go over their number of properties, and their multifaceted acquisition strategy drives growth. So I guess you can say 2012, 100, 2013, 137, 2014, 219, 2015, 277, 2016, 448, 2017, 515, 2018, 675, 2019, 742, 2020, 821, and then 2021, 1050. They're just growing like crazy. That's pretty crazy, like how they're starting to grow. And over 900% growth since formation. So that's one thing that attracted me to those guys as well, just doing some research and due diligence. Of course, there's always a risk buying in real estate investment trust or any dividend stock because they may not distribute dividends based on the board of directors call, but these guys look pretty strong. Now let's go over the revenue, FFO, and dividend history. The revenue-wise, these guys are extremely strong. This is in millions US dollars. 2016, 199, 2017, 268, 2018, 330, 2019, 387, 2020, 432, 2021, 585, and 2022, 801. So that's pretty attractive right there for revenue growth. Let's go over their FFO. I'm on their website. National Storage Affiliates Trust reports fourth quarter and full year 2022 results. So reported net income of $50.4 million in the fourth quarter of 2022, an increase of 17.4% compared to the fourth quarter of 2021. Reported diluted earnings per share of 31 cents in the fourth quarter of 2022 compared to the 25 cents of the fourth quarter in 2021. Reported core funds from operations of $90.9 million or 71 per share in the fourth quarter of 2022, an increase of 10.9% per share compared to the fourth quarter of 2021. So reported an increase in the same store net operating income, NOI, of 9.4% in the fourth quarter of 2022 compared to the same period in 2021, driven by a 7.4% increase in the same store total revenues, partially offset by an increase of 1.6% in the same store property operating expenses. So that's one thing that's very attractive with these guys. So right here, full 2022 highlights, like I said, reported core FFO of $363.0 million or $2.81 per full share of 2022, an increase of 24.3% per share compared to the year of 2021. So you're already seeing this that are doing very strong. So that's one thing that I find very attractive, and they're very transparent on their website. Now let's check out their dividend history. Let me show you their dividend growth since 2015. It was 15 cents to 19 cents to 20 cents, 2016, 22 cents, 24 cents, 2017, 26 cents to 28 cents, 2018, 29 cents, 2018, 30 cents, 2019, 32 cents to 33 cents, and then 2020, 34 cents. 2021, it was 2020, 35 cents, 2021, 38 cents, 2021, 41 cents to 45 cents, 2022, 50 cents, and then it's a little stagnant at 55 cents, but that is beautiful. Look at this. Payout ratio is 78%, not too concerned. It's a real estate investment trust. And as you know, if you're new to this channel, 90% of what they make as a real estate investment trust have to go back to investors. So that's one perk that you have as a dividend investor. So they're usually high yield dividend stocks. Sometimes dividend growth isn't the best, but this one in 5 years, 15.65%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 11. So if you bought one share, you made 220 with a 5.57% dividend yield. Kind of reminds me of CubeSmart. Let me show you how CubeSmart looks dividend growth wise as well. So CubeSmart's another one that is pretty good with dividend growth, but the dividend growth in these guys that I just went over is a little bit higher than CubeSmart, but I don't think they're as big or as powerful as CubeSmart. So 2012, CubeSmart was 8 cents, 2013, 11 cents, 2014, 13 cents, 2015, 16 cents, 2016, it was 21 cents. 2017, 27 cents. 2018, 30 cents. 2019, 32 cents. 2020, 33 cents. 2021, 34 cents to 43 cents. And then it jumped to 49 cents in April of 2023. So their payout ratio is 77%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 5. Their dividend growth in 5 years is 9.16%. So if you bought one share, you made 196 with a 4.45% dividend yield. So I own both of these guys, and I plan on being long unless if something really crazy happens. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Happy Dividend Warrior Wednesday. I will have a video for you guys tomorrow. Take care.